How to delete your MEXC account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily and permanently delete your MEXC account. To do so, first of all, make sure that you withdraw all of your funds from MEXC before deleting your account. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and withdraw all the funds first. First of all, open the MEXC application and log into your account. Now go ahead and withdraw all of your funds if you haven't yet. Transfer all your cryptocurrency or fiat to another wallet or exchange before proceeding to delete your account. Now once you've done that, go to the upper left corner and tap on the Human button. And then from the Profile section, scroll down and look for the Security button and tap on it. Under Security, scroll all the way down and click on Manage Account. On the next page, there are two different options such as Freeze Account or Delete Account. To confirm and delete your account, click on Delete Account button. And then on the next page, go through the information, select the region for your account deletion, and click Next. Go through all of the information over here. Deleting your account is permanent and irreversible, so you will lose access to all of your data, including trading history and account access. So always make sure that you withdraw all of your funds from your MEXC account before proceeding to delete. And once you are sure you'd like to delete your account, click on I have a red circle over here at the bottom and click Next. Now you'll need to go ahead and verify your account. Go through the security verification by entering your verification code sent to you via email. Click on Get Code and you'll receive a verification link via email. Once you receive it, enter the verification code in the text box. Go open up your email inbox and paste in the verification code and click Submit. Now, when it comes to security verification, you must go ahead and link your mobile phone number or link your Google Authenticator as well so that you can delete your account. Go ahead and enter the verification code that you received via email in the first field, and right underneath it, if you have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to go ahead and enter your authentication code via Google Authenticator or SMS and click on Submit. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete or close your MEXC account permanently. But remember, if you haven't set up two-factor authentication, then you will not be deleting your account since you cannot do that yet. So make sure you have the Google Authenticator or phone authenticator option that is enabled on your MEXC account, and you'll be able to delete your account permanently. So there you have it. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.